Welcome you once again in this new session of English language, and today we are going to discuss about the articles. Articles are of three types: a, an, and the. A and an are called indefinite articles because they do not refer to a particular thing or any particular person. But the it refers to the particular person. So the is called the definite articles. Now in the exercise A, we have to underline the definite articles with the and indefinite like a, then the god, the judges, the two, melodious, then the problem, the. So all these are the with the circle is indefinite, definite, and so A is used before a single countable noun, for the first time before a word that begins with the consonant sound. I ate a mango in the morning. Before words that are names of professions. She is a painter. Ria is a journalist. Before quantities like dozen, a liter. An is used with an countable noun refer to the first time before the words begin with the vowel sounds. I ate an orange. Minu bought an umbrella. And the is used before the superlative degrees of comparison, like Rohan is the most hardworking boy in the class. Sheila rode a bicycle. The bicycle is very old. Before the name of musical instrument, unique things, important buildings, land, mountain ranges, oceans, sea, gulfs, river, or communities of peoples, countries that have work. So now we have to fill with this: the papaya, a master, and organisms, an unopened packet, an apple, an unsafe building, an egg sandwich, the chain, an event, the tram, a inch, the storm, an ant, and the year. A MSc student, the tablet, a movie, the swimming pool, a electric, an electric toothbrush, the cycle, an insects, an Englishman, the bulb, and the game. Now, exercise C, just circle this. I won the first prize. I saw a funny man. He listened to the radio because it's an instrument. The Prime Minister, definite person. Zakir Hussain played the tabla. And oranges are expensive. You can get for a dozen 30 a dozen. Now write when not to use a and an. Before the proper noun we will not use. Write Sunita, it will be cross. Singapore, it is crossed. Before uncountable noun, cross. Health, cross. The will not be used. Flower blossom in the, because in the season, in the season the will not be used. Name of the meal, that is a lunch, dinner, no, the will be used. and before the name of any sports and games, and before the name of any, India is the highest mountain. For example, you can see here no mountain peaks. So the highest mountain peak in India is Kanchenjunga. Before name of languages, he can speak to you in Spanish. Name of the subject with bay, lake and falls, we will not use this the word. The name of the shop, restaurant, McDonald, Herald, Haldiram, Sagar Ratna, and with years and with name of the companies. Now, Disneyland is the most. Teaching is a noble profession. I met my neighbor in the afternoon. All the noise is giving me a headache. You need to finish all the work in an hour. But the word start with the H, but H is silent, so it is an an. Can we buy a puppy? He found shelter in an abandoned house. Then the and the. 10th, mummy, you are the best mother in the world. My uncle is shifting to the USA and I want to go on a long vacation. The Jack had an unpleasant experience at the and what an awesome movie it was. Dip Despicable Me is a movie for kids. I watched the movie. And can I have a glass of water? Then and the. Now, it's also the ancient Greek associated Mercury with the god. So, here the, the, and the. Houdini is considered to be the most famous magician in the world. Houdini was born in Budapest and brought up. Third, in 1925, Hugh Harman drew a sketch of the then name for the. Then Robin Hood was an anchor who stole. Robin Hood and the a a a a a again the. So now in this exercise we have to put the articles the, because Pratik and Pooja are planning to surprise birthday party for their little sister. Now Pratik, I think we must invite Sheena's friend who live in the neighborhood. In the neighborhood. Then again the during the has a, her name is the, she live near the post office. Pratik, that the number that takes the number of invitees to 7. There is a new food joint in a supermarket that has an interesting menu. Then Pratik, we need to have a lot of balloon. I will decorate the room. Where do we get the cake from? The cake from, it has to be an eggless cake. There is a bakery near the telephone exchange. Yes, but let this be the secret. Pratik, I won't, but who will stop you from sharing this secret with the whole world and their aunt? So this is the topic. A and the has been filled in this exercise, and this is an articles. Hope you have watched this video. Read this chapter also very carefully. We will meet in our next session with new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.